In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate and mirror a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. Welcome back to the channel. This quick walkthrough will help you make images fit your slide design perfectly, whether you need a subtle tilt, a precise 90-degree turn, or a clean mirror effect. Start by opening your PowerPoint presentation and heading to the Insert tab. Click Pictures, choose an image from your device, and place it on your slide. Don't worry about the exact position yet. You can fine-tune placement after you rotate or flip. Click the picture to select it. When it's selected, you'll see handles around the edges for resizing and a circular rotation handle at the top. You should also see the Picture Format tab appear on the ribbon. If you don't, click the image again to make sure it's selected. To rotate the picture manually with your mouse, click the circular rotation handle and drag left or right. Release when it looks right to you. For a smoother experience, try holding the Shift key while you rotate. This snaps the rotation in 15-degree increments, which is great for clean, consistent angles. PowerPoint's smart guides may also appear to help you align with other objects on the slide. For more precise control, go to the Picture Format tab and select Rotate in the Arrange group. From this menu, you can rotate the picture 90 degrees to the left or right with a single click. You'll also see options to flip vertically or horizontally, which we'll use for mirroring. To create a mirror effect, open the Rotate menu again, choose Flip Horizontal to mirror the image from left to right, or choose Flip Vertical to flip it upside down. Mirroring is handy for reflections, balancing a layout, or fixing an image that was captured in reverse. Keep in mind that flipping a picture with visible text will mirror the text too, which can make it unreadable. If you need exact values, click More Rotation Options at the bottom of the Rotate menu. This opens the Format Picture pane where you can type a specific rotation angle like 20 or 180 degrees and fine-tune the image's position on the slide. Setting the rotation back to 0 resets it to its original orientation. Once your picture is rotated or mirrored, adjust the size and position, drag from a corner handle to keep proportions, and use Align tools on the ribbon to center it on the slide. From the Picture Format tab, you can also add borders, shadows, and other effects to polish the final look. And that's how to rotate and mirror a picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.